Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars.
Good day everyone, we are here to present our prototype, and the title of our prototype is Design and Development of a Melting Furnace for Foundry Technology.
A furnace is a equipment or mechanism that used to melt metals or any other foundry related processes.
So this is our overall prototype design. This is our blower to connect for our main furnace, and this is our main furnace with our connection and piping inside, our thermocouple, our pots, then our piping system, our bypass line, our solenoid valve that is connected to our control panel, and the connection for LPG. So we have our one-way valve for safety purposes. First step, to operate our furnace, we have to plug in our control panel. Then second, we push our on button. There we have a reading. Then after that, we have to turn on our LPG gas. Then after, we have to open a slight amount of opening for our bypass line. Then it is ready to ignite in our furnace. Our brass scrap, then we have to put it in our pot.